Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. Hope everybody is doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I detoxify my skin and what products I use to cleanse my skin thoroughly on weekly basis, and what is my routine to make my skin look very beautiful, flawless and radiant. So if you want to know what all steps I take to get this routine into place, do keep watching my video. I'm going to see you in the further video. For today's particular routine, I'm going to use my two trusted brands. First is Kaya and second is M Caffeine. I use this brand from a really long time, and I have also done a true review on the Kaya products when I had done an Nika haul. If you have not watched that video, I'm going to link it somewhere here or down below in the description box so you can watch that video. I am a trusted user of Kaya products and also M Caffeine products. So I'm going to use only those products for today's particular cleansing routine. So I'm going to start off with taking off this entire makeup of my skin. So to first take all the makeup off my face, I'm going to use Garnier's Micellar Water, and I'm going to use cotton pads. With the help of this, I'm going to remove all the makeup of my skin first, and then I'm going to cleanse my skin step by step. This will help you thoroughly cleanse your makeup in just 2 swipes. If you're using waterproof makeup, you may require one more cotton pad, as I'm going to use another cotton pad, and you'll see. It also removes all of your liquid lipstick and long wearing lipsticks also. So for the next step, I'm going to use the Kaya's Purifying Cleanser. This is an acne free cleanser for oily and combination skin, and it is a gel consistency cleanser. I'm going to use this to remove the extra residue of my face and also to remove all the dirt and makeup of my face. I'm using a little bit water also to emulsify all the makeup. As you can see, this is cleaning out my skin so beautifully. After I've done with the cleansing of my face, I'm going to use a scrub which is from M Caffeine. This is the Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub, and this has a very small amount of granules in it. It has a very chocolatey consistency, as you can see. It looks like a liquid chocolate running on your hand. I'm going to scrub my face with the help of this. It will take care of removing all the impurities of my pores, and it will give my skin a very smooth texture. So after I have washed the scrub off my face, you can see my skin is looking so supple and soft and really glowy and radiant. I'll come up close to show you. See the smoothness, and my texture has also retained its elasticity because of the pure small granules of coffee in this scrub. I really love this scrub, and M Caffeine is has my heart. I really love this product. So moving on next to the next product now. So the next product is also from M Caffeine, my favorite product, a beautiful product which will cleanse off all the impurities of your skin. This is the M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask, and this comes in a very beautiful glass jar. You also get a spatula in this, which makes it very convenient for you to apply your mask and just get rid of all the dirt from your face. So I'm going to use this. I have used it halfway through. You can see the base of the jar so you must be knowing how much I love this product. So I'm going to apply it on my entire face, taking a reasonable amount of this product. I'm using a mirror to get a closer view, and I'm going to apply this on entire face. I'm using a brush to blend it out. This works like magic on your skin when you have tired, restless and a bumpy textured skin. Trust me, if you start using this, you are going to love it. I'm taking a little bit more and applying on the areas where I think the layer is very thin. If you have trust on me and if you trust me, whatever suggestions I will give you will be good for you. Do not forget to use and buy and try this M-Caffeine face mask and face scrub. You are going to love it, trust me. You can have a blind faith on me and start using this product. This is acne free product and suitable for all skin types. Very beautiful product. And I'm going to let this sit on my skin for just 10 minutes and let it dry down. So after my mask has dried down completely and I feel my skin is looking very tight and feeling very tight, I'm going to take a microfiber cloth, a damp microfiber cloth, to remove this entire mask of my face, and you will see the magic it has done to my skin. Take your time, be very easy when you're removing any sorts of mask from your face, because when it dries down, it tends to make your skin little bit dry. So you need to be very gentle while removing it. You can already see the radiance and the smoothness it has given to my skin. My skin texture has only changed in just 15 minutes. So after I have removed the mask off my face, I'm going to tone my skin with the help of Kaya Purifying Acne Free Toner. I'm going to take it on a cotton pad and remove the extra residue of the mask from my face and also tighten up my pores with the help of this toner. This will immediately remove the dirt of my pores and also clean my pores and also tighten them. You can take it to your neck as well. You can see the residue which after removing your mask, whatever residue is left, this toner will help to remove all the residue off. The very last step and the end of this video, we are going to use Kaya's Purifying Nourisher, that is a moisturizer, to lock in all the goodness of the mask and the toner and all the cleansing routine which we did into the skin, and this will help us to lock the moisture in the skin for a really long time. I like to lather it at night and in morning when I wash my face. This moisturizer is really beautiful. It gives you a little bit of brightening effect and also gives your skin a plumpy texture, as you can see. You yourself can see the magic this mask and this cleansing routine has done to my skin. This is my bare skin without any makeup. Trust me, very beautiful, supple, soft and shiny and glowy. And I don't have, touch wood, I don't have a lot of pigmentation also on my skin, a little bit over here, and this is also going to fade away in a little bit span of time. if you liked this video and if you liked my healthy looking glowy skin, and if you also want to have such type of skin, do try out these products and let me know in the comments down below what were your thoughts on such type of products and what was your experience while using these products. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.